So ICMR has been continuing its efforts to ramp up the testing capacity in the country and also making testing available at even the lower levels, the district level, and increasing the outreach of testing to the best of its capacity. In addition to the RT-PCR test, we have deployed the TrueNat and CBNat based testing also. And moving a step forward, very recently, ICMR also has validated and approved the use of a rapid antigen point of care test, which is now validated, recommended for use, and is also being used now in the containment zones of various states as well as in the hospitals. So with this, we really hope to follow the approach of test, track, and treat. Because if we take this testing to the grassroots level, the number of individuals, infected individuals, mild symptomatic or even asymptomatic individuals that you'll be able to catch really increases. And this is likely to catch individuals in the early stage of infection and also lower the burden on hospitals. So this is one strategy which has taken up well. We also came up with advisories, revised advisories on testing, which was loaded up on ICMR website on 25th of June. And subsequently, we also have come up with a very explicit advisory on the use of antibody-based IgG assays, which are recommended as a surveillance tool. And also the advisory for that is there on ICMR website. It has been disseminated to the states. Multiple letters, joint letters from Secretary Health and Secretary Department of Health Research have been sent. And the other step that ICMR has very recently taken up for increasing the testing is that all the NABH hospitals and the NABL approved labs as well as all the government hospitals have been approved for conducting the antigen based test. And we already have approved hundreds of applications for the antigen-based assay testing, and further approvals are in progress. And also, the initial criteria of ICMR was that all the private labs who are intending to undertake COVID-19 testing, they were supposed to submit a NABL accreditation certificate, completed one. But now, in order to enhance the testing and speeden up the liberalization of the testing, we have now allowed the private labs to apply for NABL and in parallel submit their application to ICMR. We give them a 1 month time period in which they can complete the NABL accreditation and submit their completed accreditation to us. So these are quite a few steps that we have taken. The ramping up of number of labs is happening at a very fast pace. As I speak today, we have 1132 labs which are operational, including CBNat and TrueNat labs also, and more are in pipeline through various efforts of ICMR as well as the mentor institutions which have been identified in centers of excellence. So that effort is ongoing. Our number of tests have increased, and on an average we are testing more than 2.6 lakhs of samples per day, and that we hope to see a further rise by the use of the antigen tests. Thank you.